In this video, we're going to be covering some big changes to the kit install process for My Memory Suite. Ever since we launched digital content on our website back in 2009, we've offered the content in 3 different install types. We offer it in Windows for customers on Windows computers that want to install content directly into My Memory Suite. Then for the Mac, we did the same. These will just automatically install background papers and embellishments directly into the program. Then we offered the third option of the general zip for customers with Photoshop Elements or other digital design applications. It would just give them a zip with those papers and embellishments, and they could organize them however they wanted. And this worked well in the beginning, but now that we have over 200,000 product SKUs, then you multiply that by 3 different variations, and that ends up being a very expensive hosting and management process to handle all those kits. So what we did was we built in the install process that was previously handled in separate Mac and Windows installs. We built that right into the latest versions of My Memory Suite. And there's some advantages. The big advantage for My Memories as a company is we can reduce our hosting costs and administrative costs by consolidating down to just one file for Mac, Windows, and customers using other programs. And then for customers, this newer install process has advantages of being able to run multiple installers at the same time. So I'm going to need to download the newest version of My Memory Suite 9. I already have My Memory Suite 9 on this computer, but it's a slightly older version that doesn't have the kit importer built in. And I think this is going to be the case for most of our customers. So what we need to do is sign into our accounts, and then at the very top, we have the My Memory Suite software versions. In this account, I have the trial version of My Memory Suite 9. I have the full version of My Memory Suite 9, so we'll definitely want to download the full version. I'm on a Windows 64-bit computer, so I'm going to download the Windows 64-bit installer, and I'll be able to install this just right over the top of the existing version. We don't need to uninstall. We don't want to uninstall because I've already got content packs installed on this computer. We don't need to redo any of that work. So this change doesn't require anybody to reinstall kits. This is only for new items that you're going to be building into your My Memories program, new kits you're going to purchase. This is a new process for any of those items. Now that the software is done downloading, I'm going to install that. So we'll just start the My Memory Suite installer. And again, the idea is we're just going to install this right over the top of the current version. We're getting a notice about installing. Do we want to allow it to continue? Yes, we do. And again, we're going to just leave the recommended settings so the program can find the version that's already on there and just update the needed files. So as the installer runs through, it's just going to check and make sure all the basic included elements and the program file are updated. All right, so at the end of the install, My Memory Suite pops open this little registration window. Since we've already got My Memory Suite registered in our account, we don't need to do anything with that. I'm just going to close the tab, and we're ready to finish the installer. I'm not going to run the program just yet. I'm going to click Finish. Now that we have the program installed, I'm going to download the kits and show you how the process works. So I'll pick 5 of these kits: Anchors Away, Deck the Halls, Joyful Season, Rainy Day Borders, and August. those kits. Yes, they did all download. So what we can do now is start up my memory suite. And you can see the version here is 9.0.3, build 163. And that version is the first one to include the kit import process. We don't need to check for updates because we just got the latest version. Now here at the starting point screen, I'm not going to open or start an album yet. I'm going to just close the starting point screen. I'm going to go to the File menu and choose Import Download. That's the new process for importing kits. Now in my Downloads folder, this is the default place the program's going to look for new kits. You can see I already have quite a few items in here. It's sorted right now by name, but I'm going to resort this. So I'm first going to switch it to a detailed list, and then I'm going to click the date modified column twice so that the newest items are right there at the top. And so what you'll see is the Anchors Away, Deck the Halls, Rainy Border, Joyful Seasons, and August alphas. Those are the 5 that I just downloaded. And what I'd mentioned earlier is I can install all 5 at the same time. I just clicked the top one, held down the shift key, clicked the last one, and I'm going to select all 5 and choose open. So what's happening now is the zips are being extracted and put into the program. And then after each install is done, the program's going to pop a message. It says Anchors Away was installed, and it was put into the category Beach, and it included embellishments. So I'm going to click OK. It's going to work on the next one, August Days Alpha. It was imported into Seasons Autumn. It was also embellishments. Now we've got Deck the Halls, which was into Holidays and also embellishments. This one, Joyful Season Solid Cardstock, was installed into Holidays Christmas and is a backgrounds pack. Rainy Day Borders is going into Everyday. And that's it. So all 5 installs are already in the program now. All right, so now that those kits are installed, I'm going to start an album really quick and just show you how to find that content. There are pre-built options available. I'm going to just start a 12 by 12 album with just one page, so I'm just going to hit the Create button here under Custom Size. And I'm going to look for paper packs first, but actually I'll dismiss the trim area notice. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to the control panel on the right, choose Backgrounds and Add, and then expand my categories here. Remember, we had one install under Holidays Christmas. There's the Joyful Seasons cardstock. I'll add that to the page. And then I'm going to add some embellishments. So again, control panel, embellishments. There's different ways to add content. You can use the toolbar at the top, use the galleries on the left side. I just happen to like using the control panel on the right. I'm going to expand Purchased and Holidays, Christmas. Now here's the Deck the Halls cluster that we installed. I'm going to add that to the page. So as you can see, pretty simple to download. Another advantage with this new kit import process is we no longer need to install a separate Java for the kits. The previous method required Java for Windows 64-bit, Java for Windows 32-bit, and Mac 64-bit. The program already includes a bundled Java, but the kits required a separate standalone Java, so that requirement is going away. One other thing I wanted to show you is with the kit process, some of our customers have a lot of kits and maybe they're not sure which ones got installed into the program. So you can actually compare your kit list here on the website with those that get installed into the program. So I'm going to go over here to the desktop shortcut, and I'm going to right click it and choose Open File Location. This will take me right to the My Memory Suite folder under Program Files, so you can browse to it yourself if you don't have a desktop shortcut. This computer, C drive, Program Files, My Memory Suite. In here is a folder called Designer Templates Uninstallers. Now each content pack that gets installed puts an entry in here, and if I open that up, I can see the 5 kits that I just installed in here. They're just folders, but it's basically it's a list that you can quickly check and compare against the website list and see what's been installed into the program. So that's a handy way to help determine what's been installed, what you still might need to install. So that's it in a nutshell. It's a big change, and as always, when there's changes, there are also hiccups and snags. So we realize this transition is different, and it's going to take some getting used to, and there might be some problems. So if you are trying to download a particular kit and either the zip link doesn't work or you notice it's missing content, just grab the name of the kit, copy that, and send an email to csr@mymemories.com letting us know what the particular issue you're having with that kit, and we'll work as quickly as we can to resolve those issues. So anyway, that's a new kit process. Thanks for watching.